So in this video, I'm going to go over a pair of these NORTIV 8 hiking boots. And these right here are in the light gray, and I got them in a size 9. Now, I had found these fit very true to size. I was super impressed with these. This is NORTIV 8's newer model right here for 2026, and they are paper light, everybody. They are super light. They are very similar to more higher end boots that I've had in the past, but these right here have a good cushioning on the inside. Now, this insole right here has more of an arch support like that, and it was very comfortable on its feel. These are 100% waterproof all the way up to the tongue right here. They have these rope style laces just like that. If you look at the heel pattern, it has that top heel that rolls off nicely. They do have a shank, a shank is in the middle, so you see that they do not flex in the middle, and the traction lugs on these are in a nice pattern for going forward on that and going back right there. So I really like the traction. You could tell I've been using these. They're still dirty from the last time I wore them here. They were very easy to slide on and off with this pull tab in the back. They were super comfortable wearing all day. They have a bump toe at the end. That is a very hard bump toe right there. I put these on, I kind of jumped around on some logs, kicking on some logs. I love the protection in the toe and the way these overall feel and the way they look. They look very premium and they feel great on the foot. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, Waterproof Pro NORTIV 8 boots. See y'all in the next video.